This training video will be covering the rest of the pods not touched on in previous videos. Those pods are the Files pod, the Web Links pod, the Poll pod, and the Q&A pod. The Files pod is a place where a presenter can upload a specific file that he or she wants the participants to download. To use this pod, open it and hit Upload File. From here, choose Browse My Computer in the bottom left and find the desired file on your hard drive. Once the file is uploaded, it's available to all users in the meeting. The next pod is the Web Links pod. This is a place for URLs that you believe are valuable to the presentation. To upload a web link, first type in the link in the bottom box. Click Browse to test your link. If it works, go back to the pod and click Add Link from the Options menu. Name the URL and hit OK. The link is now available to the presentation. Web links can be very useful when sharing your screen. This allows you to quickly navigate to a website you would like to share. The Poll pod is used to set up a poll that all of the users in the meeting can participate in. To create a new poll, type your question in the question box and the responses in the answers box. Click Open in the top right to open up the poll. At any time, hit View Votes to view the way users have been voting in the poll. Unfortunately, the Poll pod does not allow you to set up anonymous polls. The final pod is the Q&A pod. This is a place where users in the meeting can interact with presenters by asking questions. Users will type their question into the box and it will appear on the presenter's side of the Q&A box. To respond, type an answer in the bottom box. You can then choose to answer to the user individually or broadcast the question and answer to the entire meeting. In a small meeting, it may be simpler to use the chat box for questions. However, in a large meeting, the Q&A pod is much more convenient. The pod pools all available questions and makes it easier to choose which questions to answer. The pod also allows you to save the questions as a text file in the Options menu. Thank you for watching this short tutorial. For further questions and more tutorials, be sure and visit our website at mediaservices.wustl.edu.